Hey guys, this is Andy with American Jetter. Today I'm going to show you our 58 series cargo trailer. This one is a single axle trailer with electric brakes on it. Has a 38 horsepower electronic fuel injection Kohler engine with a 12 gallon per minute Udor pump that produces about 3,800 psi at 12 gallons per minute. Has a 200 gallon water tank, 12 gallon fuel tank, which can be accessed on the driver's side of the trailer when you fill up your tow vehicle. Has a portable reel in there and a couple other options that the customer has ordered. This also has antifreeze and a 2-inch cam lock to hook up to the water tank if you have a fire hydrant. Back here in the back, we got 300 foot of half-inch hose on the reel. Can be upgraded to 500 foot of half-inch. Then there's a portable reel or an inlet reel on the back that'll hold 150 foot of 5/8 or 100 foot of 3/4. This unit is also wireless remote. So in the back here, I'm gonna show you. First, you got to turn the key switch on. Cat's joining us. Everything works with the key switch in the on position on the motor. So you can manually pull your hose out or back in at the reel, or you can do it wirelessly also. So reel out wirelessly and then reel back in. It's got a really strong motor on there we upgraded. So I'll show you this in manual mode first, and you can't see it from the video, but there's a ball valve here. You'll be able to see it on some of our other videos that they'll be in the closed position. So we'll start it, run some water through it manually, and I'll show you the wireless operation. So there's 12 gallons per minute. Also, there's a kill switch back here in the back, and you can also kill it at the motor if you want to do it that way too. So as far as wireless remote, we've got it. It operates basically the same. Key switch is in the on position, but for wireless, we'll go ahead and open this ball valve, reel out our hose to where we want it, and then we'll start the engine. As soon as we start it, we'll have water flow, and we'll kill it and stop the water flow. Obviously, you had pressure or a nozzle on here. You have pressure, and you can adjust it there by turning the knob clockwise will raise the pressure, and counterclockwise will lower it. It also has a pulse valve feature that'll help you on longer runs. It makes the line vibrate and use it on get around elbows and, like I said, longer runs. And you can close it for full pressure when you're not using it. So here we go with the wireless remote water flow. Kill it to cut the water off. Reel it back in. And I failed to mention that there's dual floats in the water tank for when you have it hooked up to a garden hose, it'll automatically stop the tank at the top of the floats. There's a connection back here for connecting a washdown gun. You can adjust the pressure on that just like you do when you're jetting. And that's the basics of this unit. Whenever the key switch is in the on position, that fan will be running, and when it's in the off position, it will automatically shut and close. You see it shutting right there. So that's the basics of it. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to give us a call. We've got several models, different flows that we can build this unit, and look forward to building one for you. So take care. Have a good day.